channel Shadows of Opera. I hope everyone is doing good. Today I'm going to share with you all guys, it's a brand new video with acrylic painting. Yeah, so I just need a few elements for the mixing. I'm going to use the acrylic color definitely, and Elmers Glue Glue, which is I think everyone have it. Everyone's home have it. And obviously the water, room temperature water, and some of the empty fluids painting water. I got it from Amazon. It's really cheap. I just got the 20 pieces. I have more, and I'm going to use those for painting. It's really easier to paint. So the silicone well, which is I'm going to pour it just 1 or 2 drops. It's totally my opinion, my choice, my theory. I don't think anyone use it. So actually it's really helped me to put the color whenever I paint on paper or like any wood or wherever I into paint those pouring fluids paint color. So it's never mess anything, never like it's perfectly fine to paint with the silicone well. I think so. It's totally, don't judge me guys, don't judge me, please. It's like optional. If you don't want to use it, just skip the process. Just use the water, glue and the paint definitely. So I put just a regular little bit colors and water and the glue, and just mixing it very well, and just the final finishing with the 1 or 2 drops the silicone well. You skip it if you don't have it, or if you don't want to use it, just skip the process. So just mixing it and put the color on the empty fluid bottle. So, and the thing is, want to share also, it's just my opinion. It's I love to paint, I love to draw, I love to sketch, mostly I love this sketching. So it's whenever I like to paint, I love to paint with silicone well. I don't know why, but please, it's just my way to. You don't have to have everything, right? You just have you can make everything beautiful, or yeah, it's my opinion. You can make everything beautiful or perfect or unique, whatever you have, from whatever you have, whatever I have. So that's the thing I have. So I don't have the machine, I don't know the weight thing and the perfect measurement. I just want to share with you guys the simple and easiest way to do. It's a very perfect thing. It's not like the color is messed and the color is like cracking and the color is like a cake. Nothing. It's so perfect. I still have those colors. I made it 2 months ago. I still have those colors left. A little bit. So the rest of the color I will keep another fluid bottle. So I use it first. color name on the bottom, just like Indian, just like that, the Indian yellow. I will not remember the color name fully, just I will remember the yellow. But whenever I do the painting, I have to remember the name so I can put it. You guys have idea what kind of color it is, you know. So it's just a regular paint marker or just marker paint. You can just put the color name on the color bottle. This is the easiest way to share with you all guys how to mix those paint. Very easiest way and with the like few elements. So I hope everyone have a good idea with it. So that's it for today. I hope everyone likes my video. If you guys likes my video, please thumbs up and subscribe my channel and share and comments. Please comments below and share more. And please don't judge me. It's just my thing. I love to do this way. That's why I already share with you guys the idea. If you guys don't have this, just paint it or mix it what you have. It's just the little things, you know. It's just a mind. Like you have to have this, you have to have those. Don't worry. If you have just one element, just paint with this. Paint with your heart, not with the elements. Doesn't matter what you have and what situation you are having. So don't judge anyone, you know. It's beautiful. YouTube is like, it's content creating. It's not professional place. We are just content creator. We want to share with you guys all everything, our lives, our makeups, our kids, our pets, our everything. Please just don't judge us. It's really hard. So I hope everyone will have a safe New Year. Happy New Year 2022 to all. And thank you again.